Hey friends, welcome back. I have just ordered this iPhone 7 replacement screen kit from Amazon. So let's just unbox this box. I'll show you what you get in this replacement screen kit. So you open some protection. This is some review Amazon code. You get the cleaning paper. These are the tools. You get some tools to open the phone. You get this suction cup, the SIM ejector tools, here you get a screen protector for iPhone 7, and here you get the full screen with camera. You don't get the home button. It is just included all the cables, the flex cable. Only missing is a home button. You need to remove your old home button and place it on this. So friends, this is all for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.